Hi and welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I want to show you this beautiful style. This is Henry Margu. It is called Renee. The color is 60101 GR. This was provided to me for review from wigstudio1.com. I want you to see this wig all the way around. That's a nice longer nape. You know I like those longer napes on wigs. If you have hair that grows down a little longer, this provides really good coverage. Let's look at this color, 60101 GR. I love the rooting on this. Silver tones, look at all the silver, the white. There's platinum in here. These brown roots. Now 60, the color 60 is pure white. We know that, right? 101 is a platinum color, so you have just that. Pure white and platinum, and wow, what a combination Henry Margu has done with this. It is really a beautiful color. Now this fits me a little large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. I found this just a little large. I have not pulled in the adjusters, but I probably will. I think I could easily do that on this. So just to let you know, this is a hand-tied cap. I'm going to show you the cap. It is gorgeous. Look at this lace front. So pretty. It absolutely melts into the skin. You do not see that lace front. So nice. The coverage, really good coverage. You don't see my bio hair on either, just a tad right there. The ear tabs fit right above my ears. Now there's a good bit of fiber on this one. Like I said, this is a hand-tied cap, so there is no permatease, but they put a good bit of fiber on here, so I feel like you can get some volume in this. I like that about this wig. So you could wear this really sleek if you'd like. You could brush it down, you could brush it over and get a different look and wear it more sleek. You could wear it all toward the face if you'd like and wear it really sleek like that, or just run your brush through it. I also think some styling cream of some sort could kind of spike this up and make it really fun. I prefer just to wear mine behind my ears. That's just my way. And then, what a pretty neckline they have on this wig. Alright, let's look at the inside of the cap. I'm just going to slip it off and show you the inside of the cap. I have so many questions about my wig grip. I want you to know this wig grip is available at wigstudio1.com. I love it. I'll show you the back. I like the wig grips that have the elastic. They fit me better. And this one has just become available at wigstudio1.com. Alright, let's look at this cap. How gorgeous is that? Beautiful lace front all the way down into the ear tabs, large monotop. Now, hand tied, there is some covered wefting. I always like to show you that in the back. Extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters, and covered closed ear tabs. They do have stays, of course. There's some stretch here, not a huge amount of stretch. Like I said, this fit me a little large. On my 21¼ inch head circumference. So this is just a short, fun style. Slip it back on. If you wanted to, you could use a little spray and spray it up off your face if you want. I do that quite often. You've seen me do that a million times. And that will take it up and off your face. You could steam this. You could cut some bangs into this. There is just a lot you can do with this wig. I really appreciate the fact that they put a little more fiber on the top of this wig. So you have that option of getting a little more volume if that's what you would like. And it gives it movement as well. Nice job there. Henry Margu just does beautiful styles. Alright, let's talk about the specs. The bang of this is 4 inches. So this nape, we talked about the little longer nape, it's 2½ inches, but it has this 4-inch fringe, and again, like I said, you could cut a bang into this if you would like. The sides are 2½ to 5, and it weighs 1.90 ounces. Sides 2½ to 3½ So just with these measurements, you can see this is a very, very layered style. I just cannot get over how wonderful these fibers feel. They feel so natural. They're so soft. This hand-tied cap is amazing. Really good job for Henry Margu. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. I loved making it for you. I hope you'll consider this beautiful wig, Henry Margu Renee. Follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. I have Insta stories over there. I have reels over there. I have wig reviews over there. I do a lot on Instagram, so I'll see you there. Thanks again. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.